Are you a man that's suffering with brain fog, anxiety or depression, lack of motivation, lower levels of energy, difficulty managing your weight, increased aches and pains throughout the body, erectile dysfunction, maybe you're not responding to the workouts the way that you used to? I'm Dr. Jones, DC with Colorado Medical Solutions. And in this short video, we're gonna talk about just how to address these symptoms with this amazing therapy, testosterone therapy, or TRT for short. First of all, this has been such a game changer in my own personal life. I tried everything that I could possibly do to address some of the symptoms that I was having, the biggest one being lower levels of energy and a bit of a brain fog, and testosterone therapy just absolutely changed the quality of my life, and my productivity skyrocketed from there. And I'm not alone. Testosterone levels have been plummeting for men. If you look at the reference range for LabCorp, they're one of the biggest labs in the world, you can see that the testosterone ranges have dramatically dropped. Today, the range, which shows the average levels of testosterone that you're gonna see, this is total testosterone, 264 to 900. Well, 40 years ago, that range went from 650 to 1500. That's a huge drop in testosterone in just a short period of time. The short end of why our testosterone levels are plummeting is because we just are exposed to so much toxic crap that we were not exposed to 40 years ago, and it's only getting worse before it gets better. So you gotta give the body back the testosterone that it needs, and when you do, most men report complete resolution of these symptoms and just an overall state of vigor and getting back to the way that you used to feel in your early 20s. Quit procrastinating, call that number on the screen, schedule a consultation, meet with our patient educators in the clinic. Let's get you back to that quality of life that you've been looking forward to. I'm Dr. Jones, DC, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the clinic.